This is an example of decomposition. The ingredients for the reaction are yeast, sugar, balloon, hot water, and a plastic bottle. The yeast will consume the sugar, and with the water and the heat, it turns into CO2 and 2C2H5OH. How do we know a reaction is happening? Is because gas is being released.
This is our synthesis reaction. Our ingredients are sugar and water, and then we're gonna mix them together, create sugar water. So we got 200 milliliters of water. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons sugar. We're gonna mix it. Color changes, sugar dissolves, leaving us sugar water. Is that good? That's what's going on. This is our double displacement reaction. Mixing baking soda and vinegar causes a chemical reaction that produces salt and water as well as carbon dioxide gas. Our ingredients are baking soda and vinegar. It is a chemical reaction because it releases CO2. Alright, so we got, the ratio is 2 to 1. We got 8 tablespoons, I think, of vinegar, teaspoons. And we have 4 teaspoons of baking soda.
This is an example of single displacement. We're using water, copper sulfate, and a hammer. When a hammer is placed in copper sulfate and water solution, a chemical reaction occurs where the iron displaces copper from the solution, resulting in the formation of iron sulfate, metallic copper. We know it's a chemical reaction because the iron atoms react with the copper ions in the solution, resulting in a color change. In the cup, we have 12 teaspoons of water, and then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of our copper sulfate. Now we're putting the hammer in.
Oh yeah, that's good right there.
When a knife is held in the middle of a candle flame for several seconds, tiny carbon particles formed as a result of the incomplete combustion of paraffin from the candle gradually cover the blade. This is an example of combustion. We know it's a chemical reaction because of the carbon deposit on the blade. The ingredients are a candle, a lighter, and a knife. So you come over here, come this way. You got your lighter. You're gonna spark that. Put on the candle. she's gonna light. Alright, now you got your knife and your blade. You stick it in the middle of that flame right there. Oh yeah. See? Just a couple seconds. Pull it out. There's your chemical reaction right there.